Alright everyone, so Shibarium is about to launch very soon and I'm here to talk about it, so let's get started. After 2 years of anticipation, the highly awaited Shibarium is set to launch this month. Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer of Shibarium, has announced that the highly anticipated Layer 2 blockchain solution will be going live very soon. Kusama shared a recent blog post revealing that the mainnet launch of Shibarium is scheduled to take place at the Blockchain Futurist Conference in Toronto, Canada. The conference is scheduled for August the 13th to 17th this year. As a Layer 2 blockchain network built on top of Ethereum, Shibarium aims to revolutionize the Shiba Inu ecosystem by addressing the challenges of low transaction speed and high fees associated with the Ethereum network. So let's explain what's it all about. Well, Shibarium is designed with several key features to enhance the Shiba Inu ecosystem. First, higher transaction speed, also leading to lower fees, increased token utility, and seamless dApp development leveraging the benefits of the Layer 2 network. Oh, and also metaverse and blockchain games. So what is the difference between Shibarium and Shiba Inu? Well, Shibarium is a Layer 2 blockchain network being built on top of the Ethereum blockchain, which will be linked to the Shiba Inu coin. Shibarium is being developed to serve as a scaling solution for Shiba Inu and to enable faster and cheaper transactions. In contrast, Shiba Inu is the cryptocurrency token that will be used as gas for transactions on the network, much like how Ether is used as gas for each Ethereum-based transaction. Shibarium is expected to transform Shiba Inu from a meme coin into a comprehensive ecosystem that includes a decentralized exchange, DEX, a metaverse, blockchain games such as Shiba Eternity, and also it's designed to increase transaction speed and lower costs in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The low scalability of the Ethereum network and costly gas fees have prevented the Shiboshi NFT project, the Shiba Metaverse, the DEX features and Shiba Inu games from reaching their full potential. This is why Shibarium looks to address these high costs by offloading some of the transaction data to a dedicated Layer 2 infrastructure while retaining a direct connection to the Ethereum network. Shibarium transactions are expected to burn Shiba, the token, which could put significant deflationary pressure on the Shiba Inu coin, and it will help increase its value, which as of right now has been on a steady decline for over a year. This of course is in unison with the ongoing bear cycle, but despite massive accumulation from Ethereum whales, the token keeps losing value. As of today, Shiba is down 90% from its all-time high compared to Ethereum, only 61%, BNB 64%, Litecoin 71%, and it's also lost its top 10 ranking according to market capitalization. So this begs the question, is Shibarium going to save Shiba from its downfall? Well, it's possible. Shibarium is expected to bring significant improvements to the Shiba Inu ecosystem and possibly transform it from a meme coin to a comprehensive ecosystem with a DEX, a metaverse, and blockchain games, expanding the range of use cases for the Shiba token. This will not happen overnight, but throughout the course of the coming year or two, we can expect some significant growth. This will also coincide with the coming bull cycle, so if you're worried about Shiba, don't. I'm sure we will see it pump several times throughout the next bull cycle. The real question remains, is it going to have a similar performance to what it did when it was first launched? And the answer is probably no. What I mean is, Shiba recorded some really stunning gains in its first year, 46 million% gain in 2021. That seems an unbeatable record if you ask me, but it could do some decent returns in 2024 and possibly 2025 too. So if you're holding Shiba or if you're adding it to your portfolio now, you might be lucky and get a few thousand% gains. At this point, most of the outs are in their lowest level, so quite frankly, you are bound to see gains regardless. The task at hand is to pick good projects that have the potential for the biggest returns. And one thing that I should point out here is that many tokens make the biggest splash in their early days, especially those that are launched during bull cycles. Those seem to catch the hype so well, they often print record high ROI but hardly ever surpass that later in their lifespan. Doge is probably the one exception here, as it did have unusually strong performance in the last bull cycle, but that was thanks to Elon Musk and his obsession with the meme coin. This was great for the token holders at the time, but we are yet to see if Doge can repeat that performance in the next bull cycle. Many other altcoins have failed. So what is the potential impact on Shiba Inu token price? The launch of Shibarium is expected to have a significant impact on the token price of Shiba Inu. Key factors include increased utility and demand for Shiba, improved tokenomics through Shiba burning, positive market sentiment, and speculative investment, of course. So with this in mind, Shibarium is poised to be a game changer for the Shiba Inu ecosystem by addressing the issues of low transaction speed and high fees associated with Ethereum. Shibarium offers a comprehensive solution for Shiba Inu users and developers alike. The launch of Shibarium is expected to elevate the Shiba Inu ecosystem to new heights, bringing about faster, cheaper, and more versatile operations, potentially leading to a positive impact on the token price. Does that mean you should rush into buying frenzy of Shiba now? Nah, I wouldn't. On the one hand, having some Shiba might be a good idea, at least for a quick swing trade, which is what I'm doing, but at the same time, there are quite a few variables that could go against you, should this release not go according to plan. Also, there is a possibility that the hype surrounding this project might not live up to expectations, so I'm definitely not going heavy into Shiba at this point. Of course, as a trader, I jump into trades in the run-up to a new release or an upgrade, but that's strategic, buy the news, sell the event type of trade. I am not too keen on holding Shiba for too long, so I'm selling when I see a pump. You won't see me having heavy bags of this token anytime soon, or ever for that matter. One of our sponsors is Token Metrics. I chose them to be one of our partners specifically because I use this website a lot in my marketing analysis and research. If you want to know when is the right time to enter a position on any coin or token, and more importantly, when to exit, because this is really the difficult part. There are loads of metrics here to help you with that. This is one of their new tools that helps me analyze the market better and spot the right entry or exit points. As you can see, it gives you a green signal when the market turns bullish, meaning we are in an uptrend, and the red signals indicate when the market has turned bearish. Thus, exiting positions and preventing losses becomes really easy with this tool. There are so many tools that you can use. Here's another one, the out season Bitcoin season indicator, that gives me a very good idea if it's time to diversify into outs or should my focus be on Bitcoin instead. There is no need to be a back holder during a bear market. I think by now that much is clear. And with this tool, it's a no-brainer. They provide in-depth data and stats on all cryptocurrencies and a lot of new upcoming projects, launches and token sales too. This is where I find unknown gems before they hit the mainstream, and I particularly like their emails with detailed breakdown on technicals and fundamentals on the projects that they research, and their expertise in this field is second to none. I've been a premium member of Token Metrics for the past 2 years and I'm using it on a daily basis. They offer a trial period and you get a 10% discount and a free ebook with my link, so go check it out, it's in the description below. Alright, well, this wraps up today's episode of CryptoCorner, everyone. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. I hope you like this. I hope you found this information useful. Make sure that you leave a like, show your support, also leave a comment below, and also make sure to check out the links in the description below where I drop the links to all of the crypto services that I'm using and that I recommend to you. There's also a couple of free ebooks that I dropped in the links below, so make sure to check them out. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting a new video. Right now I'm posting 3 times a week. When we hit the bull market, I will be posting every day. But right now I'm actually doing a lot of traveling. This is what I usually do during bear markets. I take the time to do some more traveling and post less frequently. Still, 3 times a week for free. All of my content is for free. I also publish a free newsletter once a month at the beginning of each month. So make sure to grab the link from the description below, or you can scan this QR code here in order to join this newsletter. It's full of market analysis and even more news and things that I don't really talk about here on this channel. So that's why it's good to be on that email list. And while you're here, just pick another one of my videos and I'm gonna see you there.